everyone, and welcome back. A new video. Today I'm going to show you how to get table names from SQL Server database using a specific query. Okay, let me try to type for you the SQL query. By the way, I'm going to use the AdventureWorks 2012 database. So as you can see here, the syntax. Okay, let me just make it bigger. Okay, so select star. Okay, so from information schema, that's the schema and tables. Okay, let me execute. So as you can see here, we have all the table and the table schema, the table name, and the table type. Maybe as you can see here, there is view based table. Okay, so we can also, for example, add where statement. So for example, if I want to see only the views, so I'm going to add this where statement. So I want just the views in my query. So as you can see here, we are showing the views that exist in the AdventureWorks 2012. Okay, I'm going to doing the same thing, but using the sys.objects table to find the list of table names in the SQL query. So let us use the same database, which is AdventureWorks 2012. So use it. AdventureWorks 2012 Go. So select name, create date, modify date. Okay, from sys point objects. Okay, and let's add, for example, the type, or do you know? Let's execute it with no where statement. Let's add, for example, for the select type, this one, and the type. Okay, now let's execute it again. So as you can see here, we have five columns, as you can see here. Let me add where statement. For example, let's choose user table, for example. Select also all the columns. As you can see here, we have multiple options